In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a new address on the Temu app. It's quick and simple. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Next, tap on the U tab or your profile icon in the bottom. Now tap on address. Then tap on add a new address. Now enter your first name and last name. Next, you can either search for your address or manually enter it. In this tutorial, I am going to choose the manual option. Then fill in the required details like your state address, city, zip code and country. Now add your phone number. Once everything is done, tap on save. And that's it. Your new address has been successfully saved on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.